Whoa, that was dangerous.
Yeah, all of these. Look at that.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Woo! Keep it going!
Wow. They have.
What?
Yeah, it's me, Chris, and Chase.
Yeah. He's getting eaten up.
Yeah, there's a lot less mosquitoes over here.
Oh, shit. Did you see that one again?
Yeah. I think they bought crappy fireworks.
Well, it's not... They may have bought them. I mean, there's no way to tell till you light it. Can I have that bug spray, please?
What bug spray?
There's bug spray on the table. Thank you. We actually have a better view than anybody.
Turns the color.
Yep. I bet you deer are like, I'm out.
Mm-hmm.
That was much better than the first, but I don't know. This one was dangerous. Yay! Ooh, that one's gonna be nice. That was a tall one.
Jesus, you can hear them down here. What are you? Ah, get off me.
Boom. The ones that they got over there got some height.
Hope the tree catches on fire.
Jeez.
That would be awesome.
Don't encourage him, Jerry.
It's like he's gonna go set it on fire. It's like the mentality. Close.
That was damn close.
Catch the tree on fire!
Make it real.
Whoa.
Say, make it bright and nerdy out.
I wish that smoke come over here. There'd be no mosquitoes.
What is that sound?
They're fireworks.
No,
That's a firework.
you sure?
Yeah.
I thought it was like a bat or something.
They were like little rockets, like. It's a nice one.
It's actually pretty cool to watch the explosive fly into the middle of the air and then pop.
Mm-hmm.
Yay for the two people fighting. That was a lot of noise for a whole lot of nothing.
These are like the free fireworks you get for buying the big ones.
Where's that mosquito spray?
Shouldn't be getting hit by it too much. The smoke should be there. You know,
Woo!
I like those ones, guys.
That was hard.
I think the Costco package would have been a better deal.
The Costco package?
Yeah, they had $150 of fireworks.
Yeah, no, I went there and I almost got one.
We were going to.
Your little brother's going nuts over there. Your little brothers are going nuts down there.
They're always going nuts. We need those trees. If you'd like to set one on fire, we have no problem.
Is that it?
No, I was just thinking it for some odd reason. You know, this is an ancient Chinese tradition.
Yes.
That's where it's derived.
Ancient Chinese secret.
Pretty much.
I liked those ones. Those are pretty.
The last couple of them are alright.
Oh, those ones are red, white, and blue.
A lot of those spiders right there. Woo! Boo!
Your mom's gonna want to smack you for that, Chase.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
So they make it bright and early.
I'm glad this isn't like a real fireworks show. Those people could get seriously injured if they were like high-end fireworks. Whoa! You guys might want to start rethinking your traditions here.
I hope they're okay.
They are. They'd ask for help.
Oh, another one.
You hear that echo?
That's not from us. There's a house over there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I
You
thought
hear
that.
echo?
Yeah. I thought it was floating right there, but I've noticed a lot less bugs.
Uh-oh. That scares me.
That was awesome. That was the greatest firework yet. It's a heat-seeking missile. Everybody run!
That's not funny, babe.
That was pretty.
I'm glad it landed in a lake. That's all I gotta say. There was another one.
Go learn to fireworks in Ohio next time.
Don't have to now. You can buy them in Michigan.
These are Michigan fireworks.
I like those. Those are pretty.
Someday they're gonna ban me.
They used to. Yeah, the fireworks, most of the fireworks that we even used last year were banned in Michigan for up until this year.
That was a big one. I fell on him.
Do they have torches?
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Do you have something to drink right there, babe? If not, don't worry about it.
Nothing that's mine. I don't know what's in this.
Don't worry about it.
It's like water.
Thanks. All the smoke's getting to me. See the fireworks across the lake.
They're not done. They're just positioning the light.
I don't know, babe. I think that's the truck light on.
Yeah, it is. They're
Oh, you're
cleaning
right.
up
You're
all-
right. You're right. You're right. I'm
Cleaning
wrong.
up what they fired off to put on.
Oh, another one.
That one was massive.
Looks like they have the actual fireworks set up though. The different cannons and stuff.
Where's their grandpa name?
There it is.
I'm zoomed in on it. Woo!
Sounds like Lake Avalon or whatever, the lake that's across. Their Grand Finale as well.
I think so. Near the Horns Park.
Yeah, there's people yelling too.
Mm-hmm. I hope nobody, seriously though, I hope nobody got burned or anything.
Nobody did. They would already been taken care of. That's like Steven and Scott. Or not Steven, Scott. Steven and Mike.
Mm-hmm. I don't know who these people are.
Jackie's kids.
Oh, okay. I was just like, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Oh, those people. Mm-hmm. Where are you going, Chase?
It's crawfish on them.
That sounds like fun. Wow. Do you hear that? Should I stop recording this?
I'd stop until it starts again.
Okay.